how to turn on or turn off headphone accommodations on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen, tap on Settings. Now in the Settings page, we scroll down and then tap on Accessibility. After that, scroll down and then tap on Audio and Visual. In here, tap on Headphone Accommodations. And at the top, tap on the Headphone Accommodations toggle button to switch it off or turn it on. So the headphone accommodations on the iPhone is an accessibility feature designed to enhance the audio experience for a user who may have hearing difficulties. It customizes the audio output through connected headphones, making sounds clearer and more comfortable to hear. So here's some of the things that it does. It can amplify soft sounds. You can adjust the tone, personalize audio, has a transparency mode enhancement, and dynamic range adjustment. And that's it. So go in here and turn it on as required. Otherwise, you can switch it off. Finally, you can swipe up to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.